welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover the hiring opportunity from Amazon. So we have an opportunity for freshers as well as experienced candidates. From these roles, we have on-site as well as virtual roles are there. So on-site means we can join regularly and virtual means we can work from home. We'll discuss all the rules in this video. So when we open the official webpage, as we can see here, Applied Scientist, Last Mile, Geospatial Science, and ADCI Karnataka. So this location is from Karnataka. As you can see, the domain is Machine Learning Science here. So ADCI means Amazon Data Center Infrastructure. So if you select this role, you are going to work for Amazon Data Center Infrastructure. As you can go through this description here, when we come to the key responsibilities, so they are going to provide some business problem here. We need to solve the problem with the help of SOTA technology, means state of the art technologies like Gen AI, and customize the large models as a suitable for the application. So whatever the models we are going to develop, that models has to be incorporated with the business problem what they given. So our job will to work end-to-end business problem from design to experimentation as well as implementation. Whatever the problem they given, that problem has to be designed as well as we need to perform some kind of experimentations and we need to implement that corresponding business problem. There is also an opportunity to work on open-ended ML directions within the space as well as publish the work in prestigious ML conferences. So once they implemented, whatever the results you produced, that results you have to publish in the journals as well as the conferences. The LMAI, Last Mile Address Intelligence team owns WW Chatter for address as well as location learning solutions, which are crucial for efficient last mile delivery planning. The team works out of from Hyderabad as well as Bangalore offices in India. So it is a part of geospatial science team, which also owns problems in the space of map learning as well as travel time estimations. So map learning as well as travel time estimations you are going to work and you are going to provide some kind of solution. What qualifications you need for this particular role? So experience in programming like Java, C++, Python or related languages you need to have, and experience in SQL as well as RDMS like Oracle or data warehouse. So if you have some efficiency in these programming languages, then definitely you can apply for this role. And there are preferred qualifications. These are the essential qualifications. So these are the essential qualifications and these are the preferred qualifications. If you have these qualifications, you will be getting more preference than the others. So if you have experience in implementing algorithms by using own developed code or built-in codes, and if you have some publications in the related area, then you are going to be preferred. And if your profile matching this criteria, you can simply click on apply. So the next role we are going to discuss is Associate Retail Process CMT. This is also ADCI. So Amazon Data Center Infrastructure. The location is Karnataka, as you can see here. The retail pricing system. The domain we are going to have is retail pricing system and editorial writing content management. This is a job role here. So you can go through this description again here. And when we come to the basic qualification, the bachelor degree is required, and preferred qualification is if you have some knowledge about Excel and if you are able to write the formulas in the Excel, then you are eligible for this particular job. So in this job, the basic responsibilities you are going to perform are, so they have online platform for various products here. So you need to analyze the accuracy as well as pricing analytics. So how the pricing was there and whether that particular pricing is reliable or not, like this, you have to research on the online platforms of Amazon and you need to prepare a kind of report here. So here you can see here, responsible to monitor and ensure the accuracy of pricing analytics operating team through audits as well as the process improvement activities. The job involves auditing operation teams and system outputs, suggesting and implementing process system improvements and identifying emerging process performance trends. So you need to analyze and you need to suggest them the best suitable policy on best suitable process to implement the effective system so that they can reach more number of customers. So if you are meeting this criteria, you can apply. Yeah. Then the next role we are going to have is Appeal Administrator, Amazon. So this is Amazon Develop Center, India. The location is Hyderabad. You are going to work, and it is related to human resource domain. And when we come to the key responsibilities here, serve as the first point of contact for appeal-related inquiries. So in general, whenever they are getting inquiries, they need to solve the inquiries in effective manner and faster manner. So for that, your job is to do like you have to take intake and general policy questions, next steps in the process, etc. And these queries are to be you need to take the queries via phone or chat or log contacts, so into shared service case management system. So whatever the queries you are getting chat or whatever the queries you are getting through chat and through phone, based on the charts you are going to provide some kind of response system. And if you are interested, this is completely work from home only. And if you have some Microsoft Office concepts, and if you have eminent in managing confidential environments, and if you are able to communicate as well as provide some kind of service for the customer queries, and if you have degree qualification, then any degree you can apply. So these are the preferred qualifications here. So if you're interested, you can apply. So whatever the resources they need, as you can see here, the role is contract for approximately 10 months. This is contractual basis. As we can convert this as an internship here, 10 months of internship we can get here, or simply you can say apprentice. So 10 months of apprentice we can get from Amazon. So when we come to the next role, this is support engineer. So software development. This is also Amazon data center infrastructure, Karnataka. So this is from operations, IT, support, and engineering. You need to provide the operations, IT, as well as support engineering you have to perform. During the service, if you have any problem or if you found any problem, that problem has to be resolved here. Understand and debug minor issues as well as product development as well as sanity. Understand and work on AWS services like Lambda, SPS, DDB. So these are the basic qualifications here. We need to have good communication skills, degree in computer science, at least 1 year relevant experience in large scale online technical operations environment. So if you have an experience in LMS or any large scale online technical operations, then you are eligible to apply. So 1+ years of software development, 1+years of technical support experience you need to have, experience in troubleshooting, debugging technical systems, experience scripting in modern programming languages. Like if your profile is matching with these basic qualifications and your expertise in these areas like basic Linux and Unix command knowledge, good communication skills, basic AWS knowledge, and instances in previous job experience, strong knowledge in computer science, and exposure to serve less cloud computing. Like this, if you are familiar in this area, then you can able to apply. So whatever the role it is, any one role, if your profile is matching any one of these roles, what we need to do is the general process here. First, we need to click on apply here. When we click on apply, it will ask you to log in. If you already registered with the help of the credentials what we have, you can log in with that credentials. Otherwise, register that, then start apply process. It will ask you the basic details. Then once you applied, you will get the confirmation mail, and after getting the confirmation, you'll call for interview. Based on the performance on the interview, you are going to be shortlisted. So that's all for now. If you have any queries, simply comment on my chat box so that I'll try to reply. And meanwhile, if you are not yet joined in Telegram channel, you can join here as I'm posting some of the updates for recruitment as well as internship opportunities. That's all for now. Thank you. All the best.